Hello, fellow traders and investors. Today I will cover my watch list for July 2021. I will start with a brief technical analysis of the SPY, the Qs, and SOX. Then I will share some short-term buying opportunities I will be looking at this month. I will also go over an important change in SOXL and SOXS happening towards the end of August. Let's get right into the charts. We can see down here on the daily chart, the SPY has continued to grind higher. This is happening even after the Fed's hawkish announcement of the expectation of raising interest rates in 2023. If inflation continues to trend higher, a rate increase could come sooner. Interest rate hikes have historically caused stock prices to drop. When interest rates rise, businesses and consumers spend less. This leads to lower business earnings and lower stock prices. For this reason, I regularly check the economic calendar to see if there is any data or pending Fed announcement that may impact stock prices. The SPY currently has trendline support at $421, and according to the standard error channel, will encounter resistance at $445. Next, let's look at the Qs. You'll see the previous downtrend was broken after positive jobs data and the Fed announcement. Currently, it is pushing higher and entering the red cell territory on this trend channel. Since it is showing strong momentum, it could climb higher. If it gaps up substantially, I will be looking to enter a bearish position using the inverse SQQQ. SQQQ will go up in price as the market corrects. I consider this the lowest risk point to enter a hedge or a short position in the market. Next, we'll look at SOX. The semiconductor index has also broken its previous downtrend but has been lagging behind due to manufacturing constraints and increased chip demand. Currently, I trade these short-term opportunities with SOXL and SOXS. It is important to note, Direxion has issued a notice stating triple leverage ETFs SOXL and SOXS will have a new underlying index. Starting August 25, 2021, SOXL and SOXS will no longer base their movement on XOSX, but will be tracking ICESEMI. The ICE Semiconductor Index is a rule-based, modified float-adjusted, market capitalization weighted index that tracks the performance of the 30 largest US listed semiconductor companies. What concerns me is its float-adjusted characteristic. As a short-term trader, I prefer the volatility and larger price fluctuations of lower float stocks. Only time will tell how this change will impact the price range of SOXL and SOXS. Next, I'll share my watch list. The first ticker is a speculative play. Mmat or metamaterials. In late June, Torchlight Energy just completed a business combination deal with metamaterials and is now trading under the ticker MMAT. Metamaterial has exposure to the 5G, aerospace, and clean energy sector. The ticker was selling off in the end of June when it finally found a pivot point at $6.31. It then continued to bounce with a high of $8. It has been rumored to be a short squeeze candidate. I will be watching this closely on July 1st in the pre-market for a continuation move to the $10 resistance zone or a retest of support at $6.31. I believe MMAT has a floor price of $3.07 with the ability to go parabolic and 3x from there with the right catalyst. My next play is a momentum play, ticker AMD. Advanced Micro Devices is a global semiconductor company and leader in gaming technology. This stock has been a focus of social media momentum, which should carry it past its TREFIS estimated value of $98.81. AMD is currently trading at $94. I think $98 is a conservative target, and I see AMD finding resistance at around $103. For value plays, I like MU or Micron Technology. Micron Technology is known for its memory technologies in the semiconductor space. It just had an earnings beat, and despite the positive news, it fell in price after hours. I see MU as a buy and add to play if it drops further. I have a target of $103. Up next, TMO, or Thermo Fisher Scientific Inc. This company manufactures a wide range of products and provides services in the laboratory space. It has benefited from efforts to increase production of COVID vaccines and gene editing technology. It has found a nice aggressive trading range. I see it as a good buy at $460 with a target of $520. My last stock pick for the month is LMT or Lockheed Martin. Lockheed Martin is a security and aerospace company. About 94% of its revenue comes from the US government. From 2015 to 2018, revenues went from $6.9 billion to $14.3 billion. If revenues continue to rise, the stock price is positioned for a 10% upside. The possibility of military threats from other nations make this a conviction play for me. I see an entry anywhere below $386 with a short-term target of $410. That does it for my watch list. Remember, everything expressed on this channel is research from my personal trades. In order to have conviction in your own trades, it helps to do your own due diligence. Most of my trades go in the red before hitting their targets. If a deprecating factor arises in any given stock, I will cut my losses. Manage your own risk as you see fit. I hope you gain insight for your own trading as I share my personal trade ideas and tips. If you find value in these videos, please consider subscribing if you haven't already and select the notifications bell. I will be posting more of my high probability trade ideas in the near future. Thanks for watching.